Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a change nickname command since it was requested by one of our subscribers. Ah! Let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so we are here into our Visual Studio Code, our coding application. So let's go to our commands folder and then to admin. Let's create a new file and name it nickname.js. Yeah. So first of all, let's require our Discord by typing const discord equal require like this, discord.js. Okay. Now let's go type here module.exports to import our command, since we're using our command handler over here. So here async like this, and then client message args here, okay, and then prefix our function. So first of all, let's check if our message starts with the prefix. So if an exclamation mark, as I recently said in the previous videos, that it means no or it is a rejection. So if no message dot channel, not channel, sorry, dot content dot starts with, let's type over here prefix, return. So this makes sure that the message starts with a prefix. If not, it will not do anything. So now let's define our user by type let user equal message dot mentions dot users dot first. Okay. Now if no user, so return message dot reply like this, please mention a user to change his nickname. So now the bot will send a message, and the one that I just typed over here, it will send it if I did like equal nickname without mentioning anyone. Okay, so now I think there's something wrong, I don't know what. Yeah, this. Okay. Let's now define the nickname. So let nickname equal args.slice, and then type here one dot join and do this. Okay. So now this means that whenever I type nickname in the script, it will make reference to the args.slice and parentheses one.join and parentheses this. So what does this do? It basically just get everything I say after equal nickname and the user, like here, let's type here user, and then this will be the nickname. Okay. So args.slice.one, the thing, it means everything I say here, even if I put space and continue. Okay. So now let's say if no nickname, so return message dot reply, then please specify in nickname. Okay, amazing. Now let member equal message dot guild dot members dot cache. Okay, wait, what? Cache, okay. Then dot get, then user.id, so you get the person ID. Okay, so now await, and we are using it is asynchronous because we have await. So await member dot set nickname, then nick. Okay, we can all name where here. Okay, so now let's send this message when someone like if it is done. So like const embed equal new discord dot message embed. Okay, so now it will be dot set title. The title be something like let's get an emoji here. Let me go down, and then this type done. I guess this is pretty cool. And then set description. We can put the description as successfully changed, and then $sign brackets user dot tag maybe nickname 2, and then $sign parentheses nickname. Okay, so now set color. Let the color be random, I guess. For me, I want it random, and then dot set timestamp. Okay, and then message dot channel dot send embed. Okay, now the command is pretty much done. If I type module dot exports dot help, and then like this, name nickname or nick like this, and then aliases like this. My bad, I have to put a comma over here, and then nickname. So there is another alias here, like another alias. Okay, so now let's test it out actually. New terminal, node dot. Okay, everything looks fine. Now if I did equal nick only, okay, please mention a user to change his nickname. Okay, now nick, and if I mentioned, let me do like that. Where? Like this. Then this. Please specify a nickname. So if I did nick and then turbot to Xeon.
A great success!
As you can see, successfully changed to turbot's nickname to Xeon. I can change it again with something like more than one, like here, Xeon bot. So there is 2 args. It will work too. Wait, I think I did something wrong. Please mention the user. Yeah, here. Let me do it again. Yeah, that's because I had 2 space over here. Nothing much. Now, as you can see, it worked. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.